Good morning, Bright Electro Customer Service. This is Wilson speaking. How may I assist you today?
Hi, Wilson. I'm calling to check on my blender order from last week. I haven't received it yet.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Celia.
Thank you, Ms. Celia. I'm really sorry to hear that. Please allow me a moment to look into your order details. Could I have your order number, please?
It's BE42917.
Thank you. Let me pull that up for you. Upon checking, I noticed the blender model you ordered ran out of stock right after your order was placed.
What? That's really disappointing. I ordered it last week and no one told me it was out of stock. Why wasn't I informed sooner?
I completely understand your frustration. It's possible that another customer placed an order for this blender at the same time, which caused a system error when processing your order. Let me double-check the details. Oh, it seems that an automatic email notification was sent right after your order. Could you please check if you received it, maybe in your inbox or spam folder?
Let me see. Oh, yes, it's in my inbox. Still, I think your company should have given me a call. I had to find out only after calling you myself.
I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience and will make sure to improve our communication moving forward. To make it up to you, I'd like to offer you a 10% discount code for your next purchase. Or, if you'd like, you can choose a different blender model with the same discount applied right now. I've just sent the discount code to your email. Could you please check if you got it?
That's very nice of you. I've received the email. Thanks, Wilson. Okay, I'll go with a different model then. Thanks for sorting it out.
You're welcome. You can now head back to our website, select a new blender model you like, and apply the discount code at checkout. It will automatically knock 10% off the price.
All right, that sounds fair. Thank you so much for your help.
It's my pleasure. Again, I'm truly sorry for the mix-up. If you need any assistance in the future, feel free to reach out to us. We would be happy to help you. Thank you for contacting Bright Electro. Have a great day.
Look into, to investigate or examine something carefully. Example, the manager promised to look into the delivery issue right away. Pull up, to find and display information on a computer system. Example, could you pull up the customer's record from last month? Order, noun, a request to buy goods or services. Verb, to ask for something to be made or delivered. Example, the order was shipped earlier than expected. I ordered some pasta and a mixed salad. Run out of, when a store no longer has a product available for sale. Example, the new phone model ran out of stock within 2 days. Place, an order, to make a request for a product or service to be delivered. Example, customers can place their orders online or by phone. Inform, to tell someone about something officially. Example, we'll inform you once the package has been dispatched. Frustration, a feeling of being upset or annoyed because something cannot be done. Example, waiting too long for a reply often causes frustration among customers. Double check, to check something again to make sure it's correct. Example, please double check the address before sending the parcel. Apologize, to say sorry for something that has caused inconvenience. Example, the company apologized for the delay in response. Make up, to do something to compensate for a mistake or inconvenience. Example, they offered a free gift to make up for the late delivery. Sort out, to deal with and solve a problem. Example, don't worry, our team will sort out the issue soon. Knock off, to reduce the price of something by a certain amount. Example, we'll knock off 15% if you buy 2 items. Well, great job making it to the end of today's lesson. If you enjoyed learning these real-life office phrases, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with friends who are also working on their English. Drop a comment with one new word or phrase you'll use at work this week.